happened in the course of the last 12 hours alone. There has been a dramatic turn of events that was witnessed both as India-Pakistan tensions continued to soar. Now, it was the first announcement on Truth Social that came in from the United States President Donald Trump that made a surprise announcement of India and Pakistan agreeing to a complete ceasefire, which he said was achieved because of the mediation on his part, on the part of the United States of America. Shortly after, Marco Rubio also said the same thing, and then India and Pakistan confirmed that a ceasefire understanding, this is an understanding, a bilateral, that what is being said of an agreement that has been reached between the two nations after the DGMOs, the Pakistani DGMO first calling the Indian DGMO and holding talks. But what happened hours later, because for 2 consecutive nights what was being witnessed, that there was complete blackout, sirens that were blaring, there were drones that were being intercepted, missiles that were being intercepted. The picture played out for the 3rd consecutive night as well, barely 3 hours after the ceasefire announcement was made, and that is why Pakistan's treachery was out on display once again. Ceasefire violations were reported multiple points along the LOC, including Arispura, Akhnur, Naushera, Sundarbani, Nagrota and Udhampur as well. There was complete blackout that was ordered in many cities of Jammu and Kashmir, in Rajasthan, in Punjab as well, where there were explosions that were heard and drones that were sighted at these places. India, meanwhile, reacted to this fresh provocation, as in that briefing during the ceasefire announcement, it was also made clear that India continues to remain on high alert and our soldiers are vigilant. However, when it comes to India's Ministry of External Affairs, called out on Pakistan for repeated violations and ceasefire understanding that it broke within hours, while asserting that the Indian Armed Forces are providing an adequate and proportionate response, and also saying that Pakistan's step has been completely disappointing and they need to take immediate corrective measures.
For the last few hours, there have been repeated violations of the understanding arrived at earlier this evening between the Directors General of Military Operations of India and Pakistan. This is a breach of the understanding arrived at earlier today. The armed forces are giving an adequate and appropriate response to these violations, and we take very, very serious notice of these violations. We call upon Pakistan to take appropriate steps to address these violations and deal with the situation with seriousness and responsibility.